Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add transitions between clips in Adobe Premiere. So the first step is to add your two clips on your timeline, and then what you'll have to do is simply create an adjustment layer. So right click in your project and then go to new item and then select adjustment layer. And then what you have to do is simply drag and drop it over these two clips. And usually you'll have to move this slider here in the middle and then move it like a few frames like this, and then you'll have to cut the adjustment layer and then do the same thing on the other side and make sure that they are equal like this, and then you'll have to delete the other ones and just leave this one here. And then you'll have to go to effects and you can use your presets if you want, and simply drag and drop over the adjustment layer, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.